wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So back with another video. It's been a minute since I've done a declutter video. I feel like it is no surprise that I am decluttering eyeshadow palettes because it's just time for a lot of them to go. You guys have seen I really haven't worn eyeshadow like that this year. Like I can probably count on one hand how many times I've done it. I don't know, it's just, you know, you go through different phases of your life. There'll probably be another phase in a couple years where I want to start wearing eyeshadow again, and then I'll just have to repurchase them. So if you guys want to know which ones I am getting rid of, let's go. Okay, so the first one I see here is the OPV Beauty Rainbow Splash palette. Y'all know this was a favorite. She's been heavily appreciated throughout the years. I do like the shadows in here. Y'all know I like those the type of pigmented shimmers where it's almost like a gooey consistency. It's not coming to my mind what they're called right now, but I think it's time that we can say goodbye to this palette. I'm looking at it and I'm like, really, what are the odds that I'm ever going to use this again? So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter it. Okay, this next one I have here is the Heather Austin collaboration with Adept Cosmetics. This is what it looks like inside. Again, the same type of shimmers in here that I like. There are more shimmers in here, and I do like this one. Funny enough, I've only worn eyeshadow like maybe 3 times this year, and I think 2 of them I was using this palette, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. I also like this because some of the shades are like as you turn it, and depending on how light's hitting it, it might look like a different color. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. The Jackie Aina palette, I don't even have to open it, but I will just in case you forgot what it looks like on the inside. It's not going anywhere. I'm keeping that. I don't care. I'm keeping it. The Pat McGrath Mothership Mega. This is the one that was like $73 compared to the rest. It looks like this on the inside. I do like her formula. I do like the formula of this one better than the larger palettes. If I did go back to wearing eyeshadow, I feel like it would probably be more like a pinky, you know, I'd be in the pinky, peachy nude era. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. So this is the e.l.f. Chipotle collaboration palette. Liked this for a minute. This is what it looks like on the inside. I really did like this palette. It's actually kind of hard. Like, even though I haven't worn eyeshadow like that, so I really shouldn't have an attachment to any of them, but I'm looking at it like, I don't know about that. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna declutter this one. That kind of hurt to say, but I'm gonna declutter this one. Okay, this is the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust palette. It looks like this on the inside. I've never used this. It's very cute. You know, I feel like you could definitely get some cute like Valentine's Day looks out of this, but she can go. Okay, this is the Melt Cosmetics, what do you call it? Oh, Vita palette. It looks like this on the inside. Have I used this before? I might have used like a single shade out of this. It can go. It can go. Melt makes really good eyeshadows, but I'm trying to be realistic in this video. It can go. Okay, this is the, what's the brand again? What's the brand? Okay, Beauty Bay, I believe. Yeah, Beauty Bay Bright Matte palette. It looks like this on the inside. I haven't used it much. I use it in special occasions when I need a color because you can see it's pretty much got every color. So for that reason, I'm gonna keep this one just because it has every color in it. This is the Tammy Makeup Revolution Tropical Twilight palette. It looks like this on the inside. Again, another palette that I loved. I like most formulas that Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow palettes come in. The girls know how to put a collaboration palette together, okay? But I'm gonna let go of it. Okay, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose palette. Oh, I forgot that one of the shades broke. It looks like this on the inside. As you can see, didn't really use it that much. Did I use it at all? I think I did. I think I did. Because I see some, or is that broken shadow all over it? I don't remember, but I won't miss it. It's okay. This is the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. It looks like this. It can go. Another melt. This is the Smoke Sessions palette. It looks like this. On the inside, y'all know my favorite color is green. I kind of want to keep it just because it's got the whole, you know, weed theme. Very cute packaging. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Do I need green eyeshadow? No, but I'm gonna keep it. Okay, these were the palettes that Tim Talia did in collaboration with Sydney Grace. They look like this. On the inside, there's one. Oop. There's two. Did I put my finger in that? There's two. And then here is three. I think I want to keep three. This one. Again, it's the formula that be getting me like, I don't want to. I'm going to keep this one. But the other two, I'm going to declutter. Ooh, almost dropped the one I'm going to keep. Okay, this is the Mented Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like this. On the inside, it can go. Very nice palette if you do eyeshadow like for work, for school, need something really simple to just throw on. Definitely recommend that palette. This is the Carity Matte palette. Listen, especially during Halloween. I know I'm not doing any Halloween looks this year. At least I don't think so. I might throw one out, but at least I don't think so. This definitely got me through some rough times. Very good formula. It's one of, see, now it's starting to be like one of those in my spirit. I just don't feel like I can get rid of it. But realistically, I'm not gonna use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter that. This is the Bratz Sasha palette from their collaboration with Makeup Revolution. Looks like this. See, now Makeup Revolution knows how to do a good eyeshadow palette when it's in collaboration with an actual like human. Like influencer celebrity collaborations, I usually like their eyeshadow formulas. This one I did not like. It was giving very dry, and I just I don't like it. Especially not for like the Bratz, where they're so like expressive, so bold, so out there with the fashion. Like it could have been done better. But packaging, very cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and let go of this. This is the OPV. Wait, this is a cream palette. That's weird. Why is it there? This is the Charlotte Tilbury It's Instant Eye palette. It looks like this. On the inside, again, a very cute natural eyeshadow palette, but I already kept ones that look like this. So this one can go. Okay, this is the Prime Beauty. Okay, listen. Y'all don't understand how many declutter videos this palette has been through, where I announced the fact that I haven't even used it. And I always say I'm gonna keep it because I haven't used it. But I think at this point, like, it's just time to let it go. It is time to let someone else actually get some use out of this. Very pretty colors. I love the whole, you know, heritage behind it. I am Caribbean, so it hurts, but I'm gonna let it go and let someone else actually appreciate it. Not that I didn't appreciate the fact that they sent it to me, but I feel like it would make it to another declutter video where I still wouldn't have tried it at that point, and it doesn't deserve that. So this is the e.l.f. I don't know what this is, but it's an e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. It looks like this on the inside. It can go. This is the Melt 27 palette. It looks like this on the inside. Again, another very cute palette. Definitely screams fall right now, but it can go. This is the Gemini. This is what started with me with Melt eyeshadows. Looks like this. Not gonna lie, didn't really like this one compared to the other Melt palettes that I've tried. I just felt like some of the shades were giving a little dusty, so that one can go. This also from Melt. I don't remember how to pronounce this one, but this is what the inside looks like. Very pretty. But I already kept Smoke Sessions, which kind of has shades that look like this anyways, and other shades that look like this, so it can go. Okay, this is the At Forest site Raw Beauty Christy color. I haven't seen Raw Beauty Christy in a minute. I know she's a mom now. Congratulations to her. But, like, I haven't seen her videos or like even on social media. But anyway, she did collaborate with ColourPop. This is what the palette looked like. Very cute palette, but you guessed it, she can go. This is High Tide from ColourPop. I have not used this palette. It's got the little plastic thingy in it. This is what it looks like. I probably kept it because of the colors that come in here, but it can go. I already kept an all green palette. This is the Fenty Bomb Posse. I said the wrong thing just now. It looks like this on the inside. I was never really the biggest fan of Fenty eyeshadows, so it can go. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette. It looks like a shade is broken, so I'm not gonna open it. It can go. This is the Mented, Mented like redid the Everyday Shadow Palette in like new packaging. This is what it looks like on the inside. Again, very cute, but it can go. Oh, an oldie. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. It looks like this on the inside. Listen, I've been doing a good job of decluttering. I just can't let it go. I can't. I am so sorry. So that's not going nowhere. This is the Urban Decay Naked Half-Baked palette. It looks like this on the inside. It can go. And oh, this is the MAC Surprise Eyes eyeshadow. It looks like this on the inside. Very cute, but it can go. Love the packaging too. This is the Rem Beauty Principessa palette. It looks like this. It can go. This is the Rare Beauty Confident Energy. It looks like this. These are very cute. They make like good topper shadows. So, oh, this is the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow, Hot Jalapeno. I am missing a shade because it fell out, it broke. But I'm still gonna keep it because baby, when I tell you this is one of the best eyeshadows out there, like the formula wise, it's one of the best. So this is gonna stay. And then the last two I have are those quads that that ColourPop put out. Wait, is this? Oh, this is blush. This is eyeshadow. This is Mocktail. It looks like this. This is very cute. I really do like this formula from ColourPop when it comes to their eyeshadows. And since it's so small, I can let it stay. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my declutter. And I am quite literally getting rid of pretty much a majority of my eyeshadow palette collection. Let me count it real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, come on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I think I am getting rid of 26. I don't know because they started falling and I don't want them to fall and shatter all of the floor because then that defeats the purpose. Let me try putting them down. And I'm keeping somewhere around like 8 eyeshadow palettes, so I feel like that's pretty good. It's definitely less than 10, right? I believe so. So I feel like I did a pretty good job, and like I said, would I like to keep them all? Yes, but I'm just at a point where like I need to be realistic. Like, what is the point of keeping stuff that you're not going to use? So yeah, that is it for this video. Sorry if I decluttered something that you like. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have done any, you know, fall, winter cleaning, what you guys have gotten rid of, or if there's anything that you guys are looking to pick up. Let me know all that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.